Bro, there's so many.
Ah! What is that? Damn. GTR heaven right here. Oh my god, bro, there's actually so many.
There's so many GTRs, bro. I didn't know there was this many GTR owners in
I didn't even, yeah, I didn't know there's this many GTRs in California, bro. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching another video. As you guys can see, we are here at a GTR car meet / cruise. There are so many GTRs here. Like, I've never seen this many GTRs in my entire life. Last time there was like a GTR cruise like this, there wasn't this many. There was a few, but not this many. There has to be at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Bro, it's probably like over 60 GTRs. That's crazy. Like me and Hugo were saying, I didn't even know there was this many GTRs around here, bro. Like, what the fuck? I thought GTRs are rare, bro.
Nah.
I didn't even know there was that many here. The homie Anthro's in hibernation. But look at this one, guys. This shit is insane, dude. Oh my god. I thought my tires were bad. What's up? But look at this. My tires are skinny compared to this, dude. This might be my favorite GTR. Honestly, I was gonna say here, but I think this might be my favorite GTR ever, bro. Look at this. Holy shit. Those seats probably weigh nothing. And that roll cage is so clean. I need to do a roll cage. But yeah, this thing is so clean, bro. Just clean and simple. This guy got some TEs. Ooh. But there's like TEs everywhere. Guys, this is insane. But the only thing I'm kind of bummed about is that there's a bunch of white, silver, and black GTRs. I really need to wrap my car a different color. I just don't know what color yet. Is that fresh kicks? A red one with the same wheels? Guys, I don't know. Red might be the move, but we'll see. There's like, we got a Nismo, just like kicks, but this one's white. I don't know. Fresh kicks in Nardo gray just looks insane, bro. That color just crazy. I think these ones are like, isn't like a anniversary edition or something like that? I think it's like a special edition. Is this crazy, huh? Bro, I don't know, bro. I think just the Nardo gray with like fenders and everything, it just like, it makes it look way more modified than any other GTR.
I mean, on the video, it didn't seem like cool.
It just looks crazy, huh?
It looks crazy, bro.
It makes like a premium or black edition. Any of the other ones just look very freaking stock. And we got the homie Anthro's Supra. Anthro's GTR is still getting worked on. It's still at RD Engineering. He's about to come out with like over 1,000 horsepower. So that's why it's been down for a while, but this is his little daily. R32. Damn, bro. You guys know how much I love these. I want to buy one day. Very, very soon, honestly. What do you guys think, guys? Should I sell the M3 and buy an R32? Have 2 GTRs in my garage? I probably want a black one, though. Guys, I don't know what else to film. They're just a bunch of GTRs. Oh my god, those exhaust tips are huge. Those shits are huge, bro. You guys know, like, I go to some meets and I'm kind of the fastest car, but right here, I think I'm probably one of the slowest. There's some pretty fast GTRs here. Damn, that one's pretty crazy too. I think I've been talking to this guy. I think he might be wrapping his car with us, so that should be pretty sick. Stay tuned for that. I think it's him, if I'm not mistaken, but that would be sick to wrap. Oh my god, R33 and a Supra. Both of those cars look like they just came out of a video game, bro. That's insane. We got the homie Mark's GTR here. You guys remember this one from the vlogs. Except, it's no longer Mark's. I think they finally did the giveaway. And the giveaway driver, the giveaway owner is actually driving it now. Look at this big ass wing. That is one of my favorite GTRs as well. I just love the freaking livery. Wide body. This is actually the homie. Looks so clean. Anyways, we're about to head out. I'm sure the cruise is gonna be fun. Full carbon fiber. Woo. I've showed this in a vlog before, but yeah, it's freaking insane. Clear hood, you can see the whole engine. Everyone's cars literally sound the same, bro.
One big loud sound of a GTR all at once.
Just one loud ass GTR. We lost everybody. Like, we haven't even got to like actually cruise with people because we lost the whole pack, but I think we found them all. Guys, look at this old lady driving the Ferrari, whipping it.
She whipping that.
She was revving it and everything.
She was downshifting.
Look at it, bro. The i7? It really does look like it won't. Sebastian, I know you're watching this. Look at this dude.
That's a huevas.
Alright guys, we just got done eating. That meat was pretty sick. I wish we cruised more. It was a very short cruise. I thought it was gonna be like a lot more content, but there wasn't much. But anyways, now we're heading to LAX airport. The homie Austin from Valtronic actually left my car at the airport in a parking lot. Or a parking structure, I don't know. We have to find my car right now. But Austin had a flight this morning like at 10. So he left my M3 parked somewhere. He left the key underneath the car. So for all I know, that shit could be stolen right now. Imagine someone stole my car. I'm hoping it's still there.
Yeah, we're hoping it gets here, bro. What if one of the subscribers got it before you?
I know, it's pretty scary, honestly. Guys, my E92 is parked in a parking lot with the key underneath the car. Any of you guys can go steal it right now. But anyways, we're gonna head there right now and try to find this car. I don't even know what parking structure he parked it in or where it's at, but we gotta find my car pretty much. Pick up the M3, Hugo's gonna drive it home. And then, yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we'll figure it out. All right, my car should be in there somewhere. We parked the GTR right here for now. I'm about to go find the E92. Guys, this is so funny, look at this. I'm literally looking for my car. I know it's somewhere here, 4E. Oh, I see 4E. Oh, I see the front end of my car. Found it. Woo! And the GTR is like right down here, I think. Yup, look at it, we're literally right here. Right here. Oh, got it. Guys, anyone could have came and took my car. That's insane. I miss this car, I'm not gonna lie. Austin was driving it for the past like couple of days, but I miss it. No way is this loud, bro. No way is this loud. Oh my God, guys. I freaking love this exhaust. Like, I'm not even joking. This exhaust sounds insane. Again, Austin, Valtronic, thank you, bro. This shit sounds so crazy.
You're lying, you took the red light.
I did? No way. I hope not. There's hella cops here.
I was just like, okay.
Perfect timing, bro. Alright guys, we just made it to a little car meet. Gustavo? Look at this thing though. Woo! Performante, bro. That's goals. We were supposed to meet up with all these guys before the meet, but we were too late. So we just met everybody here. 720, that shit sounds crazy. We got another GTR. That color is crazy. I still can't decide on the color, guys, to do for mine. This color is crazy. Look at that wrap. Dude, they pulled up on all the supercars. Look at this.
Yeah, a bunch of
And
snacks.
this GTR? The snacks? I want to race some supercars. I still have not raced any exotic yet. The Porsche game?
The Hellcat on the tire.
All the Porsches. That's my next color wrap, guys. Imagine on
That
GTR.
looks pretty sick, huh?
Man, this shit is crazy on TEs. Got Joseph Nahas with the wing too. It looks just like Joseph's car. Who else misses Joseph's car? I just miss Joseph having a car that he can drive with us, drift with us, and everything. I feel like when Joseph had the F80, the content was lit. Damn, we got the homie MP built from New Jersey. Woo! Guys, Mark's Lambo is goals. That's all I want. A slammed black Huracan. Anyone here get the smoke?
I don't have anybody here.
That Evo sounds like it's fast, bro. Oh my God, there's an Aventador here. I didn't even see this. What do you guys think about this wrap though? It is Wonder Woman, huh? SYCKWRAPS? Guys, today is a very sad day. I just got here to Home Depot, about to get something for the homie Manny real quick for the shop. And then I was gonna be on the way to 412 because we're supposed to film some cool stuff and do an oil change on the GTR because it's way overdue. And as soon as I pulled up to Home Depot, look what happened. I gotta show you guys real quick. I'm so freaking sad, bro. Oh my God, bro. This shit is legit flat on the floor completely. Bro, it went flat so freaking fast, and I look under and just check this out. Look how bad this looks, guys. I don't know if you're able to see on camera, but what is this? There's a big ass hole, bro, in my tire. So freaking scary, and I think I know exactly why that happened. The homie Peds, when I got these tires, told me that these are street drag radials pretty much. So they're for the drag strip. They're not for street driving, honestly. And if you guys know me, I drive my car a lot. I drive this car so freaking much. I've even driven it to Fresno to visit Hugo once. So I drive this car a lot, put a lot of miles on it, a lot of miles on these tires. And like Pet said, they ran out really fast. And yeah, that's pretty much exactly what happened. They just literally ran out so freaking fast. As you guys can tell, they're just slick. So they're made for the track. They're not made for street driving, honestly. Obviously, I like them because of the way they look. And they grip pretty good too. But they're just not made for the daily driving like me. Look, this is the front. And you can tell it's already starting to wear out too. So honestly, all the tires are starting to wear out. Good thing I checked right now. Also, another good thing that didn't happen on the freeway. Because last night, we were doing some crazy pulls on the freeway, and if that blew out on the freeway, that would have been very, very bad. Both front tires are actually wearing out too. That one's like probably up next to go. Right now I already called the tow truck, so it's on the way. But yeah, today is already not going as planned, and I'm so freaking bummed. Flat tires is always the worst just the worst feeling ever, bro. It takes up a bunch of time. You have to wait for a tow truck, then you have to go find tires. This is a freaking headache, but we're gonna handle it somehow. We're gonna get through it. It just freaking sucks. I knew these tires weren't gonna last long. Everyone kept telling me that they last maybe like 5 months, 6 months maybe. Just depends on how much you drive. And honestly, it's been about 5 months since I had the wheels. I didn't even think it's been that long, but finally, guys, I see the tow truck. After like 2 hours of waiting, bro. This is the sketchy part. I hate getting cars towed. I always risk like scratching a wheel, scratching a lip or something, and hopefully that doesn't happen. All right, guys, this guy's super cool. He says he has an E46 M3, and I was just showing him my E46 right now. Yeah, it's funny, as soon as he pulled up, he was like, damn, bro, that car is sick.
Bro, you can push this car to at least 900 horsepower easy.
This one? Yeah, no, I want to make more. I want to make 900.
Why not?
I know, hopefully soon. This is expensive. There it goes. I'm glad I got a cool guy to tow my car. Last time, guys, I had my M3 towed, and dude, they were freaking, I don't know, the guy was just so mad. He was like, this car's too low. I shouldn't even be towing it. Almost, huh? Good thing I haven't lowered it yet. I would have not made it for sure.
Man, I got the best of the best here. You know?
I know, thank you, bro. Look how sad this tire looks, guys. That shit is really done, bro. Like I said, I'm glad that did not happen on the freeway. That would not have been good. Probably would have totaled the car. Probably gonna kill myself, bro. Like, that would have been insane. This is one of the coolest tow truck drivers ever. He's over here telling me about the times he ran from cops in his E46. All this stuff. It's so funny, bro. I'm not gonna lie. My car even looks good on a tow truck. The GTR just looks so freaking good, guys. It's either California Towing or Hadley Towing. Hadley Towing. That dude is dope. He took care of the car. I showed him the E46. I started it up for him. So yeah, turned like a shitty situation into a pretty cool situation where you got to see my cars and stuff. At first I was bummed about it, but he was cool. He made the day a little better. But yeah, now we got to just figure this out tomorrow. Hopefully Peds can find me some tires, throw some tires on it tomorrow, and then get this car back up and running.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights.